Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Times of Ummah. Today's first news update is coming from Russia, where Russia has called Russian ambassador from United States for consultation because recently ties between United States and Russia has got worse. The move came after United States President Joe Biden called Russian President Vladimir Putin a killer, and he also added that Putin will pay a price. Dear viewers, if you don't know what's the reason, I shortly tell you that a new United States intelligence report saying that Putin influenced operation aimed at helping Donald Trump in the last November presidential elections, and also he called Putin a killer because he has been accused for ordering the poisoning of Alexei Navalny. After that, he traveled to Germany for treatment, but when he came back in January, a huge crowd came to protest with him, but the Russian government detained him from airport, and after that protest started in favor of Alexei Navalny. After he detained, United States top official told Putin to free him from jail, but they refused, and Joe Biden here also told that Putin will pay a price for that, and it seems like United States is going to impose sanctions on Russia. And here I also tell you that the United States has already imposed sanctions on 4 senior Russian officials this month over Moscow's poisoning and imprisonment of opposition politician Alexei Navalny, and the United States Commerce Department also tightening sanctions on some exports to Russia. Therefore, Russia called Russian ambassador to consult about tensions. An intelligence report also said that Putin was also involved in Trump victory in 2016. Dear viewers, Russia here denied any role in these incidents and stated that United States intelligence report is based on misinformation and has no evidence. Today's second news update is coming from Tanzania, where Tanzanian President John Magufuli passed away. The Tanzanian Vice President announced his death weeks after uncertainty on his health. Vice President Samia Hassan, in a televised address to the nation, said the 61-year-old president has died of a heart condition which he had suffered for 10 years. Today's third news update is coming from United Nations, where United Nations Secretary General Antonio has appointed French diplomat Jean Arnault as his personal envoy on Afghan peace process. The announcement comes just a day before Russian summit for Afghan peace process, in which Russia, China, Pakistan, United States, a delegation of Afghan government and opposition leaders and Taliban negotiators will attend the summit. Dear viewers, if you want top news of each day, please subscribe Times of Ummah.